Welcome to section 8. The first 8.1, top cover length. This is how you relate what top cover you'd like to see in relation to the shell shape that you have, and that's back up in this little section here. When we go in there, there's the shell shape. You might want to slim, and then here the top cover length. Might want to go to toes, full length, or a hook shape, and you can have the variation where you have it on a different device with a different top cover and see the raw material. The material of the top cover, now this is a non-extensive list. If you're using the electronic version, the electronic submission pathway on our website, this will be updated to be live, but typically the exhaustive list that you'll be able to find will be located for those of you that like to write it out on our website as well. So there'll be links to those in the upcoming future. But typically go with what you think you want, and then we'll do our best to find the equivalent and let you know before we make it, and a cost that's associated with that, because we're trying to be very transparent in how much it costs to get different materials transported around the world available to your local manufacturing requirements. I'll see you again in 8.2.